Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this new video transition idea on CapCut PC. So select your video that you have like walking past a tree or a pillar or anything that's in front like this, so that we can add in like another video right here. So I'm just going to place that on top, and I'm just going to go to library, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select another video to put underneath. Okay, maybe not this one because it's super short. That as well. I think they're all kind of short, to be completely honest. I might just do this and hit the reverse on that. So when you're done with adjusting your clips and stuff like that, okay, it took so long to do that. So go like right about here, then select mask, and then select horizontal, and you're going to basically move it sideways like here. So hold on, let me just go back here, and I'm just going to add in a keyframe there. And when the frame moves to here, you're going to grab it, and you're actually just going to feather it out a little bit, and then you're just going to keep doing that until you can see everything. It is a little bit better if you have like the tree in front of the mask, so it doesn't get disturbed by that. So here, and you're just going to keep doing it until there's nothing left. You have to be a little bit more precise though with your video. Here, it's not going to be super perfect, but oops, go to the next frame. And then here, just have it till the end. And that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.